had one of these grinding things in the garage when we moved on the farm. Nice to shop in. Plus I got better things now today, but that still worked really good. I have to ask my mother what they've done with that. Okay, now this they used to stoke right up, heat right up, give the horses some new shoes. Look at all this equipment. There we go. But look at the old nails. Better see them. Really cool. Alright, this is all to shoe the horse. Everything that's needed, that was to give it some more air, get the fire going. This is everything that was needed. Some had just small ones like this, or you made a bigger one, depending on how your business was. If you were doing it just for yourself, or doing it as a business. Look at that. There's your leather apron. And some more horseshoe.